Hello, this is Lockdown Drama. I'm Barry, and if you haven't seen Introduction to Lockdown Drama, you should watch that first. I always say that. You probably know that by now. Today's activity is called the Land of Back to Front, although we're not going to start with the Land of Back to Front. That comes a little bit later when we've had a bit of practice. Today you will need some space. So clear out tables and chairs. Get some space you can walk around the room you're in. It doesn't matter, you don't need lots of space. You could do it standing still, but it makes it a bit more exciting if you've got lots of space. Also, get everyone in the room. You don't just need a partner. You're not working with anybody, really. So you could do this on your own, but it's more fun with lots of people. Right, I'm going to give you some instructions. I'm actually going to give you 6. That's all. And then what you have to do is follow those instructions. They're very simple. So the first instruction is sit down. When I say sit down on the floor. So have a go now. Sit down. Done it? Great. Next instruction is the opposite. So it is stand up. So please stand up. Got it? Great. The next one is go. When I say go, walk. So go. Right, walk around the room. Try not to walk in a circle. Fill up some spaces. You should have more than one of you. So don't be close to the other person. Always try and find a space that you can be in, and don't walk in a circle. Walk in wiggly lines. Are you still going? You should still be going. Next one, stop. Stop just means stop. So you will have stopped walking. Just stop walking. Okay. Next is touch the floor. Okay. So touch the floor with your hands and then come straight back up. So I'm going to do it now. Touch the floor and then come back up. Now, if you're going and I say touch the floor, I want you to touch the floor and keep moving. Right? Last one is reach up. So you reach up as high as you can. Again, keep going if you're walking. So those 6 instructions, again, you don't have to do them this time. Just remember them. They are sit down, stand up, stop, go, touch the floor, reach up. Those are your 6 instructions. That's it. Right. So now I'm going to say the instructions, and I want you to do them as quickly as you can after I say them. If there are lots of you in the room, of course you're all going to do it at the same time. And it should, if there are lots of you, feel like you're all moving as one person, but of course in different places in the room. Right? Here we go. Start with an easy one. Go. Okay? And keep going until I give you a new instruction. Sit down. So you sit down and you're all sat down. No one's doing anything else. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Go. Touch the floor. So you should have kept moving, touched the floor and kept moving. Let's try that one again. So you should be going still. Go. Touch the floor. Good, you're still going. Great. Reach up. You should still be going. Touch the floor. Reach up. Touch the floor. Sit down. Stand up. Go. Touch the floor. Touch the floor. Touch the floor. Stop. Sit down. Stand up. Go. Stop. Go. Reach up. Touch the floor. Reach up. Touch the floor. I'm going to get quicker now. Stop. Go. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Well done. I'm going to do it really quickly now. I'll also try and trick you, so listen very carefully. Sit down. You should be sat down already. Okay. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Go. Sit down. Stand up. Go. Touch the floor. Touch the floor. Stop. Reach up. touch the floor, reach up, go, stop, sit down, stand up, go, stop, sit down. We're going to stop there. Well done. If you managed to follow all those instructions and you did all those in a big space, you might be feeling a bit tired out now. That is done quite often with professional actors because with lots of people in the room, it's quite hard to do. You've got to keep an eye on everybody and you've got to do all of that together as an ensemble. There's a good word there. Ensemble. So that means together. So imagine everyone sitting down at the same time and standing up at the same time, moving and then stopping and then sitting down, and everyone working as one. So it's a really useful exercise. Right, I mentioned land of back to front, didn't I? What could land of back to front be? Well, I'll tell you. This time, and I'm not going to do it too quickly, this time you have to do the opposite of what I say. It's back to front. So when I say stop, you're actually going to go. When I say go, you're actually going to stop. When I say stand up, you're of course going to sit down. When I say sit down, you're going to stand up. When I say touch the floor, you're going to reach up. And when I say reach up, you're going to touch the floor. So you're doing the opposite of what I say. Should we have a bit of a practice then? Okay, ready? Reach up. So right now you should be touching the floor. Okay. Touch the floor. So now you should be reaching up. Make sense? Here we go. Right. Ready? I'm going to start off by tricking you. Go. Now if you've gone, that's the wrong thing to do. You should have actually not gone because you're already stopped. Okay, so you're going to move when I say stop. Right. Stop. Should be walking now. Go. Okay. Stop. Reach up. Touch the floor. Stand up. Sit down. Stop. Go. Stop. Touch the floor. Touch the floor. Reach up. Go. Go. You're already there. You're already doing that. Go. You're still already doing it. And go. No, don't go. Okay. Stop. Touch the floor. Reach up. Stop. 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 And stand up. I'm going to stop there. Okay, you don't have to do it anymore. Well done. You should now be sitting down. It's tough, that one, right? That is land back to front. Finished. Of course, like with all of these activities, you can do that on your own. You could choose a leader to do those. You could even add in some other ones. Have a think. What could you do? You could do crouch down and jump up. And then when you do land back to front, you could swap those over. There are lots of others you could do. I'm sure you'll come up with them. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'll see you again in the land back to front another time. Hello!